Yo guys, today we are playing this cool tycoon game. So I did check some out, but I don't remember those bits anyway. All I just got sunflower and then got two, and then I left, but I wanted to save this game for you guys. You're the coolest guys. Okay. So let's get this tycoon. Tycoon, I want to be your owner. I want to be the owner. Okay, so see, I did play something anyway. So what was I'm purple. Oh wait, I'm orange tycoon. Okay guys, so I got my first tycoon. I should check out the other video that's on jailbreak. It's ace. Well, anyway, this is gonna be a cool video. Hope you guys are enjoying it already. Well, let's get this new plant. Come on, 2 more, please. Come on. Yay! Now we can get it. Okay, we need 14 for that. So, okay. Only. Is that okay? I go in. I'm loner. But this isn't mine. Oh, got a house. This is blocked. And lock it somehow. Upstairs. Nothing. Got a sword. Could kill people like that. I know. Okay. Can I go outside? Okay. I know these now. You've told me too much. Hey! Okay, there, finally. Okay, we got these rows in the sun. Okay, we could get Pichu. Like Pichu, yeah. Pichu, whatever. Why I can't get this? I don't even know anything about plants for the zombies out there. Not much. You've got 24 money in the store, so go and buy some plants, so buy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get a puddle just for 100 money. Agreed. Okay, so we can get cherry bomb. Dun 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 dun. Just doing random stuff, guys. 42 stuff. 42 son. Oh yeah. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Oh yeah. Dun dun. Na, na, na. I know that the zombies in Plants vs Zombies, and I really want to get them zombies, so we'll kill them with us guys. Is there actually zombies in this game? What if they actually come and they actually go after you guys and they actually work and you can actually die? Oh, that's too big. Okay. Oh. And he's getting in here! Ah! By front fence. By repeater. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. By a zombie. By Roman. Dun dun dun. Go and get your money up. Go and get your money. Go and get your. Okay. Check out other people's places while we're waiting. Oh, okay. That's them. They are good on these. Tell what the plants and so on. I don't want to go to any place yet. I want to see backyard. Okay. Cool backyard. We just wrecked it. We just wrecked the game. I just only don't have to go up here. That'd be mean. But I thought we could go. Woo! We're on the roof. Okay, so let's go to night levels now. Okay. Did a zombie. Oh, we go back inside. Okay, so how we go back? So you gotta kill yourself. Bye bye. Pouring outside and I'm pouring. Heard it all day. Can I get a lawnmower? Oh, the lawnmowers. I thought it was only one. Your mommy, turn your door up. Can I get something in the house? Oh, go and get a couch. Go and get a couch. These lawnmowers are so annoying. Progress board. This is the plant progress board. Buying this allows the player to track exactly what plants they have unlocked or bought. There is also a zombie progress board too. Okay. Sounds good. I don't really like the sound. I like it. Can I just get a puddle? Wow. Puddle. Looks like a puddle. A puddle looks like a puddle. And not only we can going. Ooh. So got a this is annoying. Go through this place. All place is looking nice, guys, isn't it? We can kill all these zombies. Hey dude, you're gonna get eaten by the chomper, like you don't do like this. Here's your flag. Pretend this is your flag. Oh, yours everywhere. Okay, so those are my plants I've got. So there's the zombie progress ball. I don't believe it works. Crazy Dave's grill. By zombie progress board. And I see everybody. Okay, so there's that much plants. Glad I'm not outside. I couldn't people have houses in their house. So we will get more good people. I'm not watching the game anymore for me. Where's the floating zombie? Ugh! Oh! He probably fell. Okay, he's about to. Why are they all hitting me? That's silly. He wasn't that much before. Hi dude. You got Crazy Dave in your face. Crazy Dave. Hey guys, we gotta complete this. If the screen's come back, just need to do something. Okay guys, so back to normal. Sorry about the screen thing. Oh! Stop hitting me! Whoever doing it. By progress to nighttime. Don't want me. Want you for 500. Sure. About 400. I'm not gonna go for. Then yes. That's because the progress bar starts at nighttime. Oh, so. Oh, get nighttime definitely.